All right, gee, what is this? What sort of spill is it? Not too sure. Grab a spill kit. First thing is to put on some safety goggles. Next thing is to put on some gloves. Gloves, cool. All right. Spill kit. In case it runs away. Grab some zeolite. There. So we're going to use the zeolite and create a barrier around the spill. And the idea of the absorbent material is so that it can absorb some of the liquid so that it can then convert it, so then we can then convert it into a solid form. We got a broom. Alright, so once the spill been converted into a solid form, it makes it so much more easier to handle. And we can now dispose of it using a dustpan and a waste bag to contain it. And that's it, done. So we've converted the spill by using the absorbent material, and then we put it in the bag, which means now it's ready for disposal. And that concludes our spill kit training.